Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea. If this is your very first time watching, I'm going to be showing you guys the new waxing kit that I got from Amazon that I've been hearing so many people raving about that I had to get my hands on so that I can try it out myself and give you guys an honest review. There is another video that I uploaded previous to this one, and I just did a brief showing of what was all in the kit, but today I'm going to be doing an in-depth review and also giving you guys a little demo on how it works. All right, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so this is the box that everything came in, and as you can see, it is jam-packed. And upon opening the box, you will get a thank you letter, a 2-year warranty card, and a Wax Like a Pro quick beginner guide for, beginners like myself. So I will be taking a look at that before I get started today. And it also came with some wooden wax sticks. It has the big ones and also the smaller ones. And this wax ring thing, I'm not sure what it's for, but we'll find out later. Next, they added in this after wax spray, and as you can see, it's to moisturize and smooth. And it is in coconut scent, and you guys, it smells so good. And they also added this pre-wax spray, and this is to clean and moisturize, and this one also smells like coconut. Then of course they added in these hard wax beads, and that was in the scent peppermint. And then you have the tea tree, the lemon scent, eucalyptus, and lavender. Okay, so last but not least is the wax warmer itself, and it comes with a plastic lid. And I know you guys can see some wax in there. I literally had to film this after the video, but I love it because it comes with this pail, which makes it easy to clean up. So now that we've gone over all that, it's time to start waxing. Now, like I said, this is my first time, so I didn't really know what temperature to put the wax warmer on. So I thought around like 160 would be okay, which I couldn't quite get it there, so I just settled for 161. I felt like that would be an okay temperature to start. And then I'm going to be using the Peppermint Hard Wax because I was so eager to see how that smelled. And as you can see, that digital temperature screen is going up so fast. Literally by the time I was done opening the pack, it was up to the temperature that I had set it. Okay, so next I'm just going to add in those wax beads, and I'm not going to do too much only because I'm just doing my underarms today. And then after I do that, I'm going to replace the lid back on because per the instructions, it melts a lot better when you do that. And while that's melting, I'm just going to go ahead and prep my underarms. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was a little bit eerie showing my underarms on camera just because of the discoloration under both of my arms. And hopefully once I get into the habit of waxing and also do some treatments under my arm, then the discoloration will fade. But next I'm gonna take this pre-wax spray and I'm gonna just spray it underneath my arm. And I'm gonna use a dry paper towel just to wipe any residue like deodorant residue or anything like that, and just wipe it off clean and make sure that your underarm is super dry. As you guys can see, I was not too excited about starting this wax, but I had to keep it pushing because I need these flawless underarms. So I did add a little powder just so the wax won't adhere to my skin as bad. And whenever you add the wax, you want to make sure that you're going in the direction of hair growth. Like I said before, I am not a professional. As I'm looking at how I'm applying this wax, it just looks a hot mess. But hopefully the more that I do this, the better my applications will get. So after I gave the wax about 30 to 45 seconds to cool, I was trying to pull the tab at the bottom just so I can have something to pull it off. And you guys, it was already pulling my hair. It was so painful. It took me so long to just pull it off. But I knew once I got over this first pull, then the rest would be a little bit easier. Okay, now I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that really hurt, but literally only for a couple seconds. And look how much hair pulled off on the first try. I was actually surprised at that, and I was trying to get my camera to focus and it just was not acting right. But as you can see, it left behind just a few hairs. So I'm going to go back over this arm and then move on to the next one. So next I'm gonna go in with this after wax spray, and it was surprisingly very refreshing after the wax. I'm not sure why I thought it would sting, but it doesn't have any alcohol, but you can definitely tell it's oil based to get rid of the wax residue. But y'all, I am so obsessed with my underarms right now. They are so smooth and they look so much better than what they did before. Okay, you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed my video today, enjoyed me going through that pain, but it was worth it. It was definitely worth it. As you can see, my underarms look so much better now and they're so smooth, you guys. I really have no bad reviews of this waxing kit. The only thing that I will try to do is sharpen a little bit of my waxing skills just on how to apply it. But I think that's why I went through so many sticks and so many pulls, because I see a lot of girls that usually do 1 or 2 pulls and they're done with their entire underarm. So that's the only thing that I would say that I would need to work on. But the kit itself, you guys, is amazing. It's great. It's definitely some quality wax. I can't stop looking at my underarms. I have been shaving so long, and I feel like this is a good step to start with the discoloration under my arms. And yeah, I mean, the proof is in the pudding, you guys. I can't stop looking at my underarms. So if you guys have tried this kit, let me know down below if you guys like it, or if after seeing my review that you're gonna go buy it. So okay, because I am hot now. Anticipation of the pool is just too much for me. It makes my anxiety go crazy, but I'm glad it's over with, and now I will enjoy silky smooth underarms for probably about 2 or 3 weeks, and I'll even show you guys up close. It's so smooth. So I'm super happy with the results. And I guess until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.